Welcome to Cyber Warriors HQ. Today we're breaking down the core fundamentals of IT and networking. Hey everyone, I'm Neo. If you're looking to start your career in IT or cybersecurity, understanding how data actually moves across a network is your first mission. In this lesson, we'll define what a network is, identify the hardware involved, explore the OSI model, and touch on IP addressing. At its simplest, a network is just a group of two or more computer systems linked together to share resources and exchange data. To make that happen, we use hardware like routers to connect different networks and switches to connect devices within a single network. But how do different systems talk to each other? That's where the OSI model comes in, a 7-layer framework for network communication. From the physical layer that handles the actual cables and signals, all the way up to the application layer where your web browser lives, it's all about standardization. Every device on that network needs a unique identifier, much like a home address. We call this an IP address. While a MAC address is hard-coded into your hardware, an IP address is logical. It helps routers find the best path for your data to travel. So remember, networks are about connection. Hardware like routers make it physical, and the OSI model and IP addresses keep it organized. Great job on finishing the basics. In our next lesson, we're diving deeper into network security protocols. I'll see you there.